Lidocaine HCl Solution, NaN, is a medication used to relieve pain and discomfort in the mouth, nose, and throat. It is also used to numb the lining of the mouth, throat, or nose before certain medical procedures. This medication helps prevent the urge to close the throat, which might make the procedure more difficult. It belongs to a class of drugs known as local anesthetics. It is important to note that this product should not be used to treat teething pain in infants and young children due to an increased risk of serious side effects. If you have any concerns about teething pain, it's best to talk to the doctor for more details and for other ways to treat it. When taking this medication, make sure to follow the dosage instructions provided by your healthcare professional. It is also important to take it at the optimal timing recommended by your doctor. Before using lidocaine, make sure to read the instructions provided by your pharmacist. This medication is usually applied by a healthcare professional right before your procedure. It can be used as a spray or applied directly to the affected area. If you are using this medication at home, make sure to learn all the instructions from your healthcare professional and the product package. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. When using this medication in the mouth or throat, numbness may make swallowing difficult. Do not chew gum or eat for 1 hour after using this product. It's important to be careful not to accidentally bite your tongue or mouth. Lidocaine starts to numb the affected area within 5 minutes after application. If you are using this product before certain procedures, tell your doctor if the area does not feel numb or the numbness does not go away. If you are using this product to relieve pain/discomfort, tell your doctor if your condition lasts or gets worse. Some common side effects of Lidocaine HCl Solution, NaN, may include mild nausea, stinging, swelling, or burning. If these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor believes that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, using too much of this medication or being highly sensitive to it can lead to very serious side effects. Stop using the medication and seek medical help immediately if you experience dizziness, drowsiness, slow/shallow breathing, mental/mood changes, shaking, seizures, vision changes, ringing in the ears, fainting, pale/bluish/gray skin, unusual tiredness, shortness of breath, or fast/slow/irregular heartbeat. While rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug is possible. Seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice. You may also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, call your doctor for medical advice and report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using lidocaine, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, other anesthetics, PABA, or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Before using this medication, inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have cuts, sores, bleeding in the area where the drug will be applied, heart problems, kidney disease, liver disease, or a certain blood disorder. This medication may make you dizzy, drowsy, or cause vision problems if you use too much of it or are very sensitive to its effects. Alcohol or marijuana can make these effects worse, so be cautious when driving, using machinery, or doing activities that require alertness or clear vision. Limit alcoholic beverages and talk to your doctor if you are using marijuana. Before having surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Children may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially drowsiness and dizziness. During pregnancy, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This medication passes into breast milk but is unlikely to harm a nursing infant. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Lidocaine HCl solution, non-dash, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the medications and products you use, including both prescription and over-the-counter drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If you are using other lidocaine products at the same time as this medication, it's essential to inform your doctor or pharmacist, as this could increase the risk of serious side effects. Always follow their guidance to ensure the safe and effective use of Lidocaine HCl solution, non-dash. If someone has taken too much of this medication and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call the local Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222. For Canadian residents, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include changes in vision or hearing, severe dizziness or drowsiness, fainting, loss of consciousness, shaking, seizures, or abnormal heartbeat or breathing. It is important not to share this medication with others. Lidocaine HCl solution, non, has been prescribed specifically for your current condition. It should not be used for a different condition unless directed by your doctor. In that case, a different medication may be necessary. Narration. Now let's talk about the uses of Lidocaine HCl solution, non-dash. This medication is used to numb the skin or relieve pain in certain conditions. It can be used for minor skin irritations, sunburn, insect bites, and other minor injuries. The daily dosage and optimal timing for this medication should be determined by a healthcare professional. Make sure to store Lidocaine HCl solution, non, at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not store it in the bathroom or freeze it. When it's expired or you no longer need it, make sure to properly discard it following the instructions from your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. And remember, never flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.